Hello. In this video, we'll explore how to create a journal template using Canva. First, start by clicking on the Templates option. Use the search bar to look for journal pages. Once you find it, click on it. You'll see a variety of templates available. Choose one that suits your style and preferences. Next, click on Customize this template to start editing. With your chosen template open, you can change the font by selecting any text and adjusting it to your needs. To enhance your design, click on the Effects option and make any desired changes. Want to add some movement? Use the Animate option to bring your template to life according to your preferences. You can also adjust transparency by using the Transparency feature to modify the text or elements in the template. If you wish to expand your journal, add more pages by clicking on the Add Page option. On the new page, you can insert text or any other content you like. You also have the option to crop or delete parts of the journal if needed. And that's how you create a journal page in Canva. Thank you for watching.